Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of JNTech. Today I have an unboxing of this lovely Baseus GAN Pro quick charger that outputs 100 watts maximum. It has two USB-C ports and two USB-A ports. The model number of this charger is CC GAN 100US. It's a GAN Pro quick charger by Baseus. So here on the side of the box it says BPS 2.0, which stands for Baseus Power Split 2, and on this side it talks about the fast charge protocols and the more information about the power bank, or not power bank, about the charger itself. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the outside of the box. Okay, so without further ado, let's unbox this. So I'm really excited about this charger as I need it for my Lenovo laptop, or I don't need it, but I want it. The Lenovo charger that my laptop comes with is very big and has a lot of wires, or not a lot of wires, but the cable is very long, and I'm thinking about using this and another PD cable to charge my laptop, limit the wire length, and make it more compact basically. So inside the box, it does come with a USB C 100 watt charger, USB C to USB C. It's also nice that it comes with this Velcro strap. Let's put this to the side. So in here, something else. Let's see what. Okay, so in here we got the documentation. So GAN Pro quick charger, 100 watts. It also comes with stickers, which is pretty neat. Might have to put that on the charger. Okay, so here it talks about the specs and talks about the ports and all of that stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this. And I assume this one's warranty card. Yep, it's a warranty card. Okay, let's put this to the side. Again, so now let's get to the charger itself. So here's the charger. It's wrapped in plastic, or it's in this plastic bag. Oh, it's also wrapped in plastic. Okay, so let's remove this, put this to the side. So yeah, it's pretty compact. My hands are pretty small, but the charger's still very compact. So on the side it says 100 watts Baseus GAN technology. I wish it didn't say this because it looks kind of ugly, but whatever. It'll probably come off over time. And here you can see it has 4 USB ports, 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB-As with the Baseus logo on top. And this side also has foldable prongs, which is nice. So here you can see the information of the charger itself. Okay, so here I have my Lenovo laptop. It's currently at 75%. This laptop supports up to 140 watts charging, but that's only compatible with Lenovo's charger. So the charging protocol on this laptop is proprietary. So with this cable, or with this charger and the cable I'm going to use, it will only work up to 100 watts, which is the maximum So here's my Lenovo laptop. This laptop supports up to 140 watts charging, but only with Lenovo's proprietary charger. But otherwise, it supports up to 100 watts, which is the wattage of this charger. So here I'm using this USB-C cable as a little power meter on it, but I'm not sure how accurate it is. But we'll just plug it in and see. So it's currently at 75% right now, and plugging this in, let's see how much wattage it charges at. So I'm not sure if you can see that. It says it's charging at 75 to 80 watts. Again, I'm not sure how accurate it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I know it's very quick, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and review of it. I'll leave a link to this charger down below in the description. But just a side note, it's an affiliate link. I get a small kickback if you click on it and purchase something. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.